boys, here we are down in the green patch. You won't believe what's been happening here over the holidays. So much going on, so much mud. But you will see step by step how your green patch is being created. We began planning the patch by measuring it up and doing a thorough site analysis. We tested our soils and found that our clay from the Ashfield shales had a great pH and structure for growing veggies. The landscape contractors began by removing all the lawn, which will eventually be replaced by decomposed granite to house our special wicking beds. As you can see, Rugby Bear from Year 2 has been very busy as the site supervisor, looking at all the drainage works going on over the site. He has been supervising all the subsurface drainage lines, so the ag pipes can carry all the excess water down the stormwater pipes to Sydney Harbour. Once the ag pipes are in the drainage channels, a large size gravel covers over it, allowing the water to easily seep into the ag pipe and be carried to the drainage pits. After the gravel goes down, then a road base is placed all the way over the top to make the base layer ready for our decomposed granite. The clearing crew's great work made all the beds free of vegetation, and now the soil level's being topped up, ready to plant. 5C's bed had lots and lots of big fig tree roots. Look at the size of that one. Below 6T's bed, the whole drainage pipe was filled up with root. This has been a big problem the landscape contractors are fixing for us. Those pesky roots have even invaded the drainage pits. The contractors have had to cut out the damaged ones and replace them. Our beautiful quiet lawn area has now become the stockpile for the gravel and the road base, but the good news is they will restore it with new lawn. Well, the first week of construction has certainly been a muddy one. I'll see you next week with the new exciting developments. Come and peer through the fence like Leo from Year 2 to see all the things that Rugby Bear gets up to next week.